Hi guys, so today we'll be solving this problem called diameter of a binary tree. Given the root of a binary tree, return the length of the diameter of the tree. The diameter of a binary tree is the length of the longest path between any two nodes in a tree. This path may or may not pass through the root. The length of the path between two nodes is represented by the number of edges between them. So basically they have given a tree to us and we have to find the diameter of the tree. So diameter would be the longest path which exists between two nodes. So if we try to see here that the longest path in the tree exists between the nodes 4 and 3 or 5 and 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 is the diameter of the binary tree here. So 3 is the length of the path between 4 to 1, 3 and 5 to 1, 3. So that's the answer. So this is a problem which can be asked, at the start of the interviews just to warm up. So it's a very easy problem. What we'll be doing is that we have to find the height of the tree at each level, and we'll be keeping, we'll be seeing what is the max of the height at that level, and we'll be comparing the heights. So basically, if we are at this node, we get height as 0. When we are at this node, we get height as 1. We are at this node, we get height as 2, and from here we get as 1. So we'll be adding those height, and then we'll be basically having an algorithm which will be giving uh, the height of the left and the right tree, and which will be considered as one diameter, and the other one to take care of the corner cases if it is skewed tree. So we'll be having two more variables which we'll be creating, which will give the diameter of only the left tree, and the other one will be giving us the diameter of only the right tree. So let's solve it, it will be more clear. So if writing the base condition, if root is equal to null, so we will be returning 0. Then we'll be creating a variable d1, and we'll be passing it to a function called height, which will be giving us the right and the left height of the node. And we'll also create a variable which will be giving us the diameter of binary tree of only the left nodes, and other variable d3 for diameter of binary tree for only the right nodes. Now we'll be simply returning the maximum of these three, d1, d2 and d3. So whatever is the maximum between these three, we'll be returning that. And now we'll also be creating the function which we will be passing here, which is the height function. So height function will basically give us the height of the binary tree. So for that, we'll be creating new function int height, which will be returning the height. We'll be writing the base condition first, that if the root is equal to null, then we have to just return 0. Otherwise, we have to return 1 plus maximum of height of root of left, comma height of root of right. So what we are trying to do here is that if we are at the null node, which will be returning the height 0, then at when that base condition is hit, we will be reaching the other node, and which will be increasing the number of the height by 1, which is 1 plus the height of the left subtree and the right subtree. So when we are here, so we'll be getting 0, and when we are here, we'll be getting 1 from here and 1 from here. So which is the maximum one? Both are equal, since so we'll be having 1 plus 1. So when we are here, we'll get the height as 2, because 1 of this plus 1, which will give the height 2, and from here we'll be getting 1. So That's what we have to do. That's what is happening in the height function. So let's run the code. Um, Diameter of binary tree. Yeah, that works. Okay. Yeah. I hope you guys understood. It's a very easy problem, and it's been asked in a lot of interviews, so it is important. All right. Thank you. I hope you understood the problem.